Hey, if you guys like jewelry inspiration and craft making and some great shopping hauls and some paper crafting, card making, things like that, make sure you hit like and subscribe and hit the little bell on the side so you don't miss anything. Okay guys, so I have been playing around with the layout that I want to make. And I think I'm going to make something similar to this. So we'll see. We'll see how it comes out. Because this is going to be bigger than that. So I'm not sure. You know. And just an FYI, some people back their collage pieces with felt. But I didn't do that with this. Just because I thought it looked really cool without it. I mean, but you can always cut a piece of felt in the shape of this. You know, whatever piece you make. And just, you know, glue it to the back of that. So I guess if you know, didn't want it to snag or something, the clothing, you could probably do that. Which might not be a bad idea, but I thought it looked really cute without it. Because I like that the holes show, you can see through the holes. So just keep in mind the color that you use. Most people use black, but you can also use a gray or something like that. So that's going to be good if you do that, I guess. So yeah, you could do that if you so choose to. I don't know if I'm going to do that just yet. I'll see how it turns out. I'm still struggling with my layout. So I picked this piece and I picked this piece. Now, I could probably just use this piece. I've been trying to mess around with, you know, the layout. So I really like that, right? But I kind of like this added to that. So I think I kind of like that. Okay. And I kind of want it to be, let me turn it around a little bit. Like so. And I had a really cute layout going. So do your layout first and take a picture of it. So that way when you take it apart and everything, you know, you'll know strategically where you put everything. Yeah, so I'm going to just kind of put stuff where I, you know, think it looks good. And yeah, that's it. You can do the matching pieces if you want. Or not. You could use whatever colors you want and whatever. So what I did was, let me show you what I did first. I took one of these earrings and I just cut the piece off. Okay, and then I took this part and I just cut the back of it off. So that way I can use it like that. Very beautiful earrings. My little Walmart earrings. I thought it was so pretty. So yeah, you can do that. That's what I did. And my other little earring, this is actually an earring, also a Walmart earring. I just pulled this apart. You know, just took the little, you know, some stuff falling off it now. I just took the little pearls, flowers off. And just, you know, strategically, I'm just going to put them around the piece. So, I just pulled a bunch of stuff out, and, you know, going to cut off the, you know, the ends of them here and place them on my piece. So just, you know, place it however you want it. That's why you have your tweezers. I want to see how this looks. I may change it. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see, now shan't we? See, I like that idea. Oh, yeah. See, I had it something like that. Kind of like that. I like that piece sticking out. I like that. I pulled this key out. This Copper Love key. This is one of the Tim Holtz keys. And I may or may not put that there, but we'll see. I don't know. It's kind of big. So you see what I mean? Like it shifts everything over. And the fact that things stick out, that's not a big problem. You know. So, yeah. So things will stick out. Like this sticks out, but look how cool it looks, right? So yeah. So that's cool. I like that. Now, like I said, this is going to have to be done in stages. So your layout, you know, glue it together first, and then you have to do your layout. But I would do the layout first and then glue it together so you'll know exactly where you want to place everything. And make sure you take a photo of it. Now, this is going to be a pretty big piece. But I think it's still going to look really, really cool. So, yeah, I had a really nice layout. I messed it up. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, I see that. That's really cool. Yeah, I think that's how it was. Okay. You see how that looks now? It looks really, really cool. And you can always pull this down if it's too high up. So you can get all your pieces on. And then you're going to cut the ends of these off anyway, so it won't stick out so much. But you're going to layer everything, so it doesn't matter. You know? Put everything together here. And it's going to look something like that. something. And don't forget, we're going to add other little, bits and bobs to this. So if it's not perfect, it doesn't need to be. But right now, that looks beautiful, I think. I may add another one of these. I think that looks really, really cool. So you see, you need your jewelry tools, your pliers, just to, take this off and pull it apart. And you're going to put your pieces on here. Oh, yeah, you get the little, well, that looks like a little rhinestone right there. So that's really cute. Let me see. You know what? Let's move this one and put this one over here. A little rhinestone. There we go. I think that looks cool. And then we're going to just lay that here. And I'm going to take a picture of it. And then we're going to go ahead and set it up. And you can fill all this in too as well with some other little, little flowers. I have a bunch of little flowers. Like I can peel these off and stick them on the side, which I think I'm going to do. But I'll show you that when we get to that. So yeah, these come off. These are nothing but resin pieces, I guess. Resin or plastic? I mean, acrylic. It may be resin. I don't know. But yeah, you just pull those off and just, strategically place them around your piece. So we're going to do that as well. But I'll show you that when we get to it. Like this little piece. See, you can always peel that off. Oh. What's flying? Oh my God. Okay. Oh yeah. So see, you just peel that off. There you go. There you go. Yeah, and place it, around your piece there. Because this is going to have like a multicolored look to it. So you see how cool that looks already? Oh, I love it. I love it. I do. I really like it. So let's see. I'm going to try the rhinestones on the key, but I'm also going to try some pearls. So we'll see. Okay? All right. Now I'm going to glue this together and let it settle for a bit. And then we're going to come back and then add our pieces. Okay? Yay. It's going to be fun. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and glue down my filigree pieces. All right. I have the layout. I took a photo of it. And I'm just going to glue it down. Now, these are brand new jewelry mats, and I don't want to mess them up. So I'm using a paper towel just to glue them. And I kind of like it like that. All right. Like I said, you can just use this by itself. But I like it like that because I think it adds more interest. You open your E6000. And you coat the back of it. Or wherever you want to, put your stuff at. Have it lay out. And make sure you have a window open because this is kind of toxic. You will get a buzz or something from it. And you just glue that like that. See how cool that looks? Now, it has to dry and cure. E6000 works amazing. Some people said they didn't like E6000. It was a mess. It is messy, but you know what? Once it cures, it will not move, I swear, especially on metal. Amazing. So, yeah, I would let this sit in at the very least a couple of hours, which I'm probably going to do, and I'm going to come back and finish the rest of the video because I want this to be stiff, at least when I start working on it. So, yeah, that's all you do. You just glue your pieces together like that, okay? Just make sure, and then you can move it around. That's why I like it, because you can actually move it around, okay? So, I said I was going to make another piece, but I really want to use these silver pieces. Like, really? Yeah. I love these. These are beautiful. I bought these specifically to use for my collage pieces. Now, this can also go steampunk as well. So, a lot of this, like these, are kind of steampunk, kind of. You know what I mean? That's like a fine line between the recycled, repurposed, upcycled, steampunked kind of thing going on, So, it's all sort of cousins, I suppose. And I'm going to do an upcycled jewelry video as well. I have an idea for that, so stay tuned for that. But that will be maybe 4 or 5 videos from now. But yeah, so definitely hit like and subscribe, and click the bell on the side so you'll be notified when the videos come out. So you can see all the cool stuff I got coming, right? So I really bought this specifically to do with this, but that's really cool. So you know what? You can even do it like that. That'll make a cool necklace, huh? Okay, we'll see. I'll see. I'll put this aside and do it like, oh, you could do it like that. I like that. Look at that. Ooh, don't we like? I mean, I don't know. That's a little small for me, but I don't know. I think I like it. I like it with this too. I like it by itself, and I like it with this. But I think that, you can put more stuff on it when it's bigger. You know me. Everything in the kitchen sink. But I like that because that'll be cute, cool to hang as a necklace. All right? That's really cool. Let me see. And then I had this. This is actually a brooch that I've had forever. And I thought, oh, wow, that would look really cool on it. How cute would that look? Really cute. Cute, 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 cute. So we'll see. I might glue this together too. Yeah, because I like that. That's really nice. So I may make a few pieces, guys. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and glue it down. And let this sit as well. So we'll see if we have a couple pieces by the end of this video. Well, end of the, we'll see if we have a few pieces after the series of videos here. We'll see. Yeah, so let's just do that. I like that. I like the way that looks. That's really cool. Okay, so we're going to let that sit and cure for a little bit. And then we're going to come back and add our embellishments. Okay? All right. Yeah, there we go. That's cool. And then you can also use this by itself too. That would just be cool because it's nice and big. Yeah, I got a lot of good stuff over here to use. So yeah, all right. Well, when we come back, we're gonna this is gonna be cured a little bit, and then we're gonna add our embellishments on top. Okay? All right.